Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little haul for you guys. I am currently on the downhill battle of, well, technically on the uphill battle of over a week cold, and I am still nasally sounding. I still have some congestion. I still am like doing all that. So if you notice me doing that, that's why. I am hopefully almost better. We're going to Disneyland this week, so I'm hoping that I will feel 100% by then. Gracie is sick though. She got the cold, and I'm hoping that that is gone by the time we leave. And then Wilson, hopefully, fingers crossed, prayers, that he doesn't end up with it at all. Sorry about my little rant, just wanted to let you guys know that I sound this way because I am sick. And it's been a while since I filmed because I was so sick. But I did go to Sephora and Morphe, and I did the Sephora appreciation sale. I just wanted to show you guys what I got for myself from the Sephora appreciation sale. And then I did go to our Morphe store because they opened one up here. And I'm in love! Ah! So it is about a half hour or so away from me, but I went there for other reasons to that mall, and there was a Morphe store there, so I was like, I'm just gonna peruse, if you will. And yeah, I did a little damage, but that's okay. The thing I love about Morphe is that their stuff is very well priced. All right, I'm gonna jump right into this haul. I'm going to start with the stuff I got from Morphe. Right here. I have not opened any of this stuff. I've had it for like a week, and then I got sick. I wanted to wait until I was feeling good enough to film this for you guys. So, you know, first I had to get the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. And it comes in a big box, all 4 of them. Since this isn't just a Vault collection review or anything, I'm not going to be swatching these. If you guys want to see a separate video on that, let me know in the comments below. So the first palette I have here is Dark Magic. Those are the shades. I think I'm most excited about trying Sparkly and the greens in this palette. Oh my gosh, how annoying is that? I'm sorry. There we go. Next one is Armed and Gorgeous. There we go. I'm super excited about the oranges in this palette. I'm obsessed with orange right now, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with these. Bling Boss. They're all of your like purple, mauve tones, which I love purple colors. I feel like they really complement my eye and my skin color. So I'm thinking I will have a lot of fun with this palette. Okay, so Ring the Alarm has some really gorgeous fall shades. This one I think is going to be my favorite probably, at least for fall, I'm gonna say. I'm gonna have the most fun playing with this one. But there are shades that aren't in here either. So I feel like I'll have to dip into each palette maybe to get a nude or a sheen, like a light, like highlight color. I'm super stoked to play with those. Let me know also if you guys want to see any looks using these, because I would love to play with them for you guys. So I wanted to tell you guys how much everything retails for. So the Vault collection as a whole is $49 at the Morphe store. I'm not sure if that's what it's retailing for online and at Ulta, because I know you have to buy them separately at Ulta. I'm pretty sure. Okay, then next I got 8 brushes from Morphe. The first one is the Morphe R10. And this brush in the Morphe store retails for $15. The beautiful black, like matte black with the copper writing and hardware, sorry, the copper hardware. And it's just a white fluffy brush. And I bought this one for blush. I'm really loving the shape of brush for my blush right now. I've been using an Equal Tools one, just like it. I love it. Right, next is the R41. Again, it has the copper hardware. And this one's just a small domed brush, great for packing on the color in the inner or the outer corners or the inner colors. Why can't I talk? Because I'm sick, that's why. Or on the inner corners. Again, white bristles. Next, I picked up the M213. This brush does have the silver hardware on it, and it's just a really short, flat, bristled brush. I got this brush specifically for smudging or packing on color or underneath the waterline. I really, really like these small brushes. They have many purposes. Definitely think everyone should have one of these in their collection. Next, I picked up the R43. The R43 does have the copper hardware and the blended bristles. I do feel like it's a very similar brush to the other one I showed you, but bigger. It's just like a bigger version. And this one is also great for smudging or really packing on color right on the eyelid. Next, I got the R42. The R42 does have copper hardware and the mixed bristles. This one I got mostly for packing on color right on the eyelid. Also, this would be a good brush for the under the brow highlight. The next brush I picked up was the M156. This does have the gold hardware. It is a double-ended brush. One side has the short tip, short flat, and then the other side is more of like a liner brush. It's really, really tiny. This is a great brush to have to travel with. That way you can, you know, use it for multiple purposes. Packing on eyeshadow, smudging, using it for eyeliner, or a really fine detail of a cut crease or under the brow bone, inner corner highlight. Great tool for multi-use. Next brush I picked up was the R31, and this one does have a copper handle, or not handle, this has a copper hardware. It is all white brush head. This one I got for highlighting. This would be good for highlight or bronzer if you wanted to really focus on placing bronzer in certain areas. This brush would be great for that. But I did get it for highlight. I feel like this will be a really nice highlight brush. I'm excited to play with this one because I don't have anything that's this shape. Okay, the last Morphe brush that I picked up was the M321, and it's just a pointy dome brush. This one will be great for packing on the color on the outer corner, really building up the color on the outer corner. Also, these brushes are really great for dragging. So once you pack on the color on the outer corner, dragging it in the crease and buffing it out. And then that way you can get sort of a gradient of color. I did get a lot of similar brushes, but I use them for so many different things. I really feel like all of the brushes that I have are such great pieces to add to my collection because one, I love doing my own makeup, but two, I do a lot of wedding makeup and stuff like that. So I like to have a variety of brushes, similar and not similar. But all of these brushes, I feel like I will be able to use on a daily basis. So I'm really excited to give them a try now. So that was the end of that. Each brush, let's see, $15 for the R10, $6 for the R31, $4 for the R43, $5 for the R42, $3 for the M213, $3 for the M321, $3 for the M156, and I'm sorry, the M213, this little guy, was actually $2. And then the R41 was $5. In total, I spent about $100. I'm not reading off the receipt because they messed up my stuff and I had to go back and all that, so it's not accurate. But I ended up getting like $15 back, so I want to say I probably spent about $100.52, give or take. Okay, this bag. This is the appreciation sale, and it was 10% off for Beauty Insider, 15% off for VIB, and 20% off for Rouge. I once in my life was Rouge, but I do not buy enough makeup anymore, so I got bumped down to VIB. So it was kind of a bummer when I went to purchase this and realized I wasn't Rouge anymore. But that's okay. I still got 15% off. And it's a bunch of stuff that I'm just repurchasing or stuff that I've really been wanting to try out. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. And I will let you know what everything cost and what I saved, what my savings were. But first, I picked up the Drunk Elephant, their Littles. This is just kind of a trial of a bunch of their skincare items. Their stuff is pretty pricey for the bigger sizes. So I didn't want to buy a bunch of huge ones and not love them. So I thought this was the perfect time and way to try it out. It comes in this really cute little bag that's almost like from the 90s. That like 90s makeup bag material, you know? So this guy was $90 and after my discount it was $76.50. So I saved $13.50. Our like trial travel size. I think it'll be good. Try them for a few weeks and really get to try them out because I'm really bad about cleansing my face. So hopefully this inspires me. And it's been really hard not to touch this for the last week, to be honest, because this is the thing I've wanted to try the absolute most out of everything. So first it comes with your jelly cleanser, number 9 jelly cleanser. Next is the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, SPF 30. Then we've got the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, which is their moisturizer. I love how everything has like a different color lid. Next is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, C Firma Day Serum, Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, Baba Complex Eye Serum. So that was all that is in that bag. You get 8 products for $90 to essentially try out for a few weeks, and then you can slowly repurchase the ones that you loved that worked for you in the large sizes if you want to. Next, I picked up the Sephora Pineapple Face Mask. This is pore perfecting and smoothing. The face mask was $6, and with my 15% off, it came down to $5.10, and it saved me 90 cents. Going back to the Drunk Elephant, it does come with a little pamphlet that kind of explains what every product is, what its uses are, and all that. Next thing I picked up was a repurchase, but I did pick it up in a different shade because I'm not as tan as I used to be when I wore my old shade. So I picked up the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in Y315. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm not gonna open it, but you get it. This is my absolute favorite go-to foundation. I wear it all the time and mine is pretty much gone. I could probably get like 2 more uses out of it. I can't pump it up anymore. So I picked this up again, but in a lighter shade that hopefully works better for me. All right, the next thing I picked up, I have been wanting to try because I hear so many good things about it. It is the Sol de Janeiro Fast Absorbing Body Cream, and this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I have heard amazing things about it, so I'm really hoping that I love it as much as everyone that I've seen talk about it. Let's open it. I want to smell it. Oh my gosh. You guys, this smells like heaven. It smells like you're like on a beach somewhere. It's very thick and creamy. Oh my gosh. But it's also like thin. It's weird. It definitely seems water-based. Let's see. Water is the first ingredient. Gosh, that smells like heaven. I cannot wait to try this. And just where I put it on my hand feels. Okay, next thing I picked up was a new beauty blender, and I decided I was gonna try the Sapphire Blue Beauty Blender. I've heard that this is like the best one and that it just applies differently and better. So I'm very excited to try that. Let me know if you guys have tried this one yet. I think I've tried the pink, the nude, and the black so far. Okay, next thing I picked up was a repurchase, and it is my tried and true Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And y'all know I had to pick it up in the birthday glitter packaging. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. So it's their 20-year birthday, and they were established in 1998, which is crazy to me because it just doesn't seem like they've been around that long, which is awesome. But so that is the packaging. I always throw mine out, but I'm going to keep this forever. It's beautiful. I love it. Of course, you know, you guys know this is my go-to, my tried and true. Always go back to it. Love it. Right, and the very last thing that I picked up is something new that I've never tried before. And it's one of those things that like so many people have tried and rave about it, but every time I've swatched it in stores, I'm just not that impressed. But I recently was watching a video, and I can't remember who it was, but they were doing their makeup and they put this on, and it just gave the most beautiful glow without looking like too, you know, highlighty like this, like too intense. So I wanted it for when I'm looking for something more natural, but I still want that really soft glow. Maybe it was Jaclyn Hill. I can't remember. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lightening Powder, and I picked up Moonlight. This is the shade I picked up. It's just like a really soft, pretty sheer pink, I guess. But I mean, who else feels like these don't swatch well? So that makes me really excited to play with it because I want to see how it does on my skin, because it obviously doesn't swatch well to me. But I've heard just such amazing things about it, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, I stopped telling you guys what everything cost. The Bum Bum Cream was $20. I saved $3, which brought it down to $17. The mascara was $24, and I saved $3.60, which brought it to $20.40. The Beauty Blender Sapphire was $20. I saved $3, brought it to $17. The Highlighting Mood Light Powder Hourglass was $46, and I saved $6.90, which brought it to $39.10. And then the Makeup Forever stick was $43, and I saved $6.45, which brought it down to $36.55. My total savings was $37.35. which to me is totally worth it. It would have been awesome if I would have got the 20% off, but that's okay. Any savings is good savings because this is all stuff I was going to buy over time or try or repurchase anyways. So you might as well just do it all once and get that discount. All right, I am off to go have lunch with my family. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. I hope you had a wonderful Labor Day weekend and safe. And I'm just gonna let you guys know on this video, I am going out of town. I'm going to Disneyland and for a bachelorette party. So I will be gone for about 5 to 6 days total. No, 5 days. And I will be vlogging while I'm there as much as I can, but will not be posting a video while I'm there. I will not have anything to edit on. I'm not taking any of my laptops or anything like that. So it'll be about a week until you guys see another video from me. And I'm super bummed about that, but I just couldn't make it work, unfortunately. I won't have the time, and my laptop doesn't work. So, multiple reasons. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, welcome. So nice to have you. If you are not new, then no. If you are new, welcome. It is so nice to have you. Please hit that subscribe button, comment below, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I just wanted to show you guys what I got from the Sephora appreciation. Alright, get in there.